Spinach as an iron-rich green vegetable is generally available all through the year. We make different recipes of spinach, but this recipe, trust me, is very simple, very humble, and very different. This is literally from the heartland of Maharashtra, from where I belong. The name you may ask? Palak Gargata. Let's begin. Most often, it's the recipe name that actually spells it all. Palak here, in this case, of course, is spinach, and Gargata is a mash. It's a pulpy mash that is made out of spinach. There are several ways of making this, but one of the ways is what I'm going to actually show you today, in which the spinach could actually be pressure cooked along with raw peanuts and chana dal, or you can boil the chana dal and the peanuts separately and process the palak separately the way I am doing today. Trust me, both are easier. Whatever suits you, you can go ahead and do that. For now, let's begin. Let me keep crushed garlic ready because sometimes chopping can take a back seat. Some green chilies. Well, this is just about perfect. You can of course add oil to begin with, but ghee, trust me, adds in that wonderful warmth to this recipe. Let's splatter in some black mustard, after which some cumin seeds, Asafoetida or hing, and with this, the crushed garlic. Once this kind of browns a little, I'm going to add in the chili. This absolutely is one of the most important steps because this is where the flavor profile of this recipe is. Once the green chilies sizzle, time to add in washed and chopped spinach leaves. Let's mix this like so and add in a cupful of water. While this is cooking, let's quickly make a slurry of gram flour along with water. Ensure the slurry is nice and smooth and absolutely lump-free. While this is cooking, let's add in boiled chana dal. Along with this, boiled peanuts. While of course these two ingredients are traditionally added, do not skip this because that adds in a wonderful bite in this recipe. While this is getting cooked, let's now add in some spices. Beginning with red chili powder, very less because remember the fact that there's also green chili in this recipe. Some turmeric powder, a touch of garam masala. And salt of course as required, remembering the fact that spinach as a vegetable also has salt. Let's mix this well and allow this to cook on medium flame for at least 10 minutes. While cooking, the color of course of spinach will also kind of change, and that's exactly how we're looking at it. Once the spinach is cooked like so, we just run in the ladle, try to mash a little so that the flavor kind of gets developed. And to kind of bring in some more flavor in terms of profiling, let's add in some kokum and finally jaggery. In this case, powdered jaggery. Ideally, this recipe is sweet, sour with a touch of spice. Let's mix this well. Continue to boil this for a minute or so on high flame. And with this, of course, the flame. Wow. I think it's just about perfect. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's sour, and it's got that natural, earthy, astringent taste that spinach actually naturally has. Wonderful. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Palak Gargata is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well with soft, silken smooth rice with a dollop of ghee and maybe a chili to bite into. Make this for family, make this for friends. And if at all, you kind of want to make this with different green vegetables, I have actually tried this with fenugreek leaves and with colocasia. If you by any chance alter it, let me know. Bye for now.